Look at what I got. It's the Hestia 4T from Qsee Indoor Cam. Now, I've been meaning to buy an indoor cam ever since my neighbors had an intruder. Anyone who's ever been robbed and didn't have a camera had always wished they had one, so I didn't want to be that dude that just wasn't prepared. I wanted something that had amazing quality, but was affordable. So I was happy I was able to find this. The Hestia 14, which has a 2K resolution, a call button. You could pan and tilt, smart detection like sound, human, and motion, instant notification, auto tracking, device share, and personally my favorite, colorful night vision. Now, admittedly, I ain't the smartest when it comes to tech, but this was easy for me. You download the app, log in, connect device, and bam! Now my anxiety is lessened. I can be away and check up anytime. Now I'm also planning on getting a dog, so this will be perfect. Now I want to get more Qsee products, and the fact that this app allows you to just additionally add more makes it even better. I'll say I give it a 10 out of 10. Yeah, I think I'll give it 10 out of 10. Oh, and they have other versions like Hestia 3T, but this one, in my opinion, is the best. Hestia 14 has advanced features only for $54.99. Oh, look at me, all cute and nervous in my little motel. Now with my Hestia 14, no more of that. I am free. You know what? I'm gonna unlock my doors now. I dare you to come in. I dare you.